injected with dermal filler or Galderma products are really on the safety.
Thank you.
I hope we were able to
Yes,
answer
sir.
your question.
I'm a certified Cetaphil user also for the longest time.
Maybe, ma'am, if you
Later
if
we'll-
you are bold enough to try our Restylane filler and Sculptra.
Yeah. Later on, I'll ask the booth if they have some gift items for you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Why did you create this?
Yeah.
So this is our second year. So the second year of the Galderma Aesthetics Diamond Awards. For us, this is more than an awarding ceremony. This is to recognize the partnership we have with our customers, with our partner clinics. And for them, it will also solidify their visibility and their presence. They are stellars in the aesthetics industry. So for us, doing these Diamond Awards, it's both a win-win because one, we appreciate and recognize the partnership, and then second, for them, that will also create awareness on their own brands, no? With their attracting their own patients, and then again solidifying their presence in the aesthetics industry.
I think what works well with this award is that they carry our sponsors carry the brand name of Galderma in their clinics. This brings recognition of trust, scientifically proven, and with a high level of safety profile. So when they see that in the clinic, it just reaffirms that the clinic has also the same standards with Galderma.
It is like the award itself is like a seal of commitment between the partnership Galderma and then the partner.
So this question was for Ms. Casey. About the products, what makes the derma products so good?
To be very specific, no, in aesthetics, well, it's very unique because the way we treat, the way the brand is being marketed, or the way we treat our patients is there's no one size fits all. So it's very individualized, very personalized. If you see our Restylane fillers, it has 8 in the range, no? 8 different products in the range. So bakit ang dami? So because there's a different profile for each that will fit, what will fit you may not fit me. So when we do, like kanina Sir Louis mentioned, when we do our trainings, when we teach our injectors, we tell them to assess first the individual. Kasi sometimes what you think you want, no? You think you want to change this part of your face, hindi naman pala yun would be the best for you. So we go through that assessment, very personalized, very individualized. I guess that makes the product very unique, aside from what we mentioned earlier, the heritage, the way, the science behind it, no? When you compare it to other brands in the market.
Yeah, I think aside from personalized treatment, our distinct advantage is you can check this out. We are backed by clinical studies. I don't know with our competitors if they have the clinical studies to prove their claims, because sa kanila it's more of experience over the years. As we're backed by clinical studies, and that's why we're a little bit more premium, because just having a clinical study, you need to spend and invest. So for every 1 peso spent, 10% goes back to research. And this is why we are really in the forefront of dermatology.
That's why our message for Restylane, if I can communicate that, Restylane designed differently, because that will differentiate us from the other available dermal filler in the market.
Sorry, follow through. What are the famous treatments of Galderma Aesthetics?
Famous treatments.
Yeah.
We have, for Galderma Aesthetics, we carry Restylane brand. That's a dermal filler brand. And we also have our Restylane Skin Boosters. Dermal filler, so you, in terms of treatment, so may iba-iba kasi siyang, like, you want something relief or to address your sagging, fine lines, wrinkles. So we have Restylane that will address that. And if you want something for your lips, we also have that. And we have Restylane Skin Boosters, which addresses skin quality. I think that is currently a trend that we see in the market. Everybody wants to have Korean glass skin, diba? Glowing, yung parang woke up like this, diba? So we have Restylane Skin Boosters, that's only skin boosters in the market that gives you the result that lasts for 456 days. So that's the longest in terms of study talaga. That's 15 months.
Aside from that, we also have our
Our
Sculptra,
Sculptra, yes.
which is the only PPL.
Yes, Sculptra naman is a regenerative biostimulator. So, what's the difference? Kasi not all biostimulator in the market. Biostimulator, yung term na yun is it stimulates collagen, no? Making you look younger. So, everybody likes that, collagen. So, not all biostimulator in the market would have regenerative action. But if you say Sculptra, a regenerative biostimulator, it gives you more than stimulating collagen, no? So it acts on, sorry, medyo science lang. It acts on all the layers of the skin. So hindi lang siya collagen. It gives you more than the collagen.
Deep within.
Yes, so you look
Ano ba tawag doon? Demis per demis.
Yeah, you have better
The
skin
first layer one
quality
day.
and it lasts for 25 months.
Oh.
Oo.
So I will ask on behalf of Larissa. She wants to ask the cost.
The cost of treatment.
Yes.
Varies
I mean, at
from
least
Varies.
the brand.
Sa clinic.
Clinic talaga.
But again, maybe, they can give some advice on where to have what is appropriate. But I guess it's more of the doctor that can assess it. Because we can give you a recommendation. But if the facial assessment doesn't need much, then we might be recommending a wrong procedure. So it's better that you see the doctor when it comes to these types of things.
So, depende po sa situation and
The
face.
case po.
That's why it's personal. But again, I think just to manage expectations, yes, we are a bit plain because we know our products are of high quality and also with a high level of safety factor.
For Sculptra, it's well, lahat tayo, no, at the age of 25, actually we all lose collagen, pero scientifically or based on paper studies, at the age of 25 we lose 1% of collagen. So imagine at the age of 45, ilang percent na ng collagen na lost natin, di ba? So if you're asking about the age, well, we would say that the age would be around 30 and up, no? That's ideal because at that age, you already see some sagging, some lines that you would want to correct. Kasi medyo proactive na nga tayo ngayon, no? Ayaw na natin to wait for your skin to start having those signs of aging. So at the age of 30 and up, so that's the ideal age for Sculptra. And based on, sabi nga ni Sir Yui, i-assess tayo ng doctor. And based on the assessment, doctors would recommend to you, like, maybe you need 1 vial, and you need 2 vials. It depends, no? On your age, your skin.
As mentioned earlier by one of the trends is proactive beauty. And younger patients now, when they see their mothers and they don't want the fine lines that they see with their moms, they act on it immediately. This is why they go to the doctors and have some treatment so that their looks will the fine lines won't be visible for a longer period. In fact, at a young
what's good about sculpture and wrestling also? It's natural. You don't know if you see a patient or a person who's done a procedure, you would never know because it's so natural.
So surprisingly, in other countries, you see male actors, they still look young, but they say it's because of the gym. But no, they did
Salamat po,
which,
Doc.
which looks natural.
It's natural.
I don't like to mention local. Baka ma-infringement.
Pero what's good now is people are not, it's not taboo anymore.
Yes.
Parang you can openly say that I've done something and I'm happy with what I've done with my face or skin. So that's part of the trend din talaga, the expressionality, respecting your individual choice.
More questions?
Yes, any more questions for our team from Galderma Aesthetics?
Carlo, you make sure that they have Cetaphil.
Yes! Ay, meron po yan, sir.
Last na lang uli yung lagi kong tinatanong for more infos, promos, inquiries.
Yeah. With Galderma,
Yes.
directed by Galderma.
For this aesthetic business, we have a list in our website that is a part-time clinic.
www.galderma.
Galderma Aesthetics.ph.